Hello Internet, this is Garcia, and this is a tutorial video on how to record your screen on iPhone, iOS devices. Basically, any device that has, I think, iOS 11 and above. So, to enable screen recording, go to Settings, click on Control Center, Customize Controls, and you'll see that you have a bunch of options here. And under More Controls, you'll see Screen Recording if you haven't turned it on. I've turned mine on already, and you can see that I got it from down here. But you can move it wherever you want. And what that's going to do is it's going to appear here in your Control Center. This is what it's actually called. I call it the Slide Up menu or whatever, but that's really what it's called. And if you hard press on it, you'll have this option to turn on your microphone and record the audio. Now, there's something I need to tell you about recording your screen. One is that if you enable screen mirroring, so if you share your screen with an Apple TV or something, you won't be able to record your screen. Two, I'm using my microphone and recording this tutorial along with my screen, and then I might try to upload it directly to YouTube and find out that there's no audio with it, and I'll be frustrated. The way to fix this is that once you've finished recording your screen recording, go to Photos, find the video that you want to play, and play the recording you just made and re-record it again, this time with the microphone off. So I want to play mine. Hello Internet, this is Garcia, and this is a tutorial video on how to record your screen. So that's what it's going to take to get the audio for your screen recording. Once you've done it the second time, now you can upload it to YouTube and it will work. Hope this helps. Please hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe for more.